5 best whiskey cocktails, this one's for you. You might think you know whiskey cocktails, but have you ever wondered what makes a drink truly exceptional? It's not just the recipe, it's the whiskey you use. Whiskey lovers, this one's for you. You might think you know whiskey cocktails, but have you ever wondered what makes a drink truly exceptional? It's not just the recipe, it's the whiskey you use. Today we're making 5 classic whiskey cocktails, each paired with the perfect whiskey to bring out the best flavors. Let's dive in! We're starting with the old-fashioned, a true classic. But to make it right, you need the right bourbon. That's why I'm using Woodford Reserve. It's smooth, rich, and has the perfect mix of caramel, vanilla, and spice to balance the bitters and sugar beautifully. Here's how you make it. 50 milliliters of Woodford. Reserve 1 sugar cube and 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Garnish with an orange peel. Muddle the sugar cube with bitters. Add ice and pour in the bourbon. Stir well and garnish with an orange peel. Next up, the whiskey sour. Smooth, refreshing, and full of character. But you need a whiskey that's light, floral, and won't overpower the drink. That's why I'm using Nicadays. It's delicate, slightly creamy, and blends beautifully with the citrus and sweetness. Here's how you make it. 50 milliliters of Nicadays, 25 milliliters of fresh lemon juice, 15 milliliters of simple syrup, and 1 egg white if you want that silky texture. Add a dash of Angostura bitters. First, dry shake all the ingredients to create foam. Then add ice and shake again. Finally, strain into a glass and garnish with a few dashes of bitters. A Manhattan is rich, smooth, and bold. You need a whiskey with a little spice to complement the sweet vermouth. That's why I'm using Rittenhouse Rye. At 100 proof, it packs a punch, but with deep caramel and peppery notes that balance the drink beautifully. For a classic Manhattan, you'll need 50 milliliters of Rittenhouse Rye, 25 milliliters of sweet vermouth, and 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Stir these ingredients with ice, strain into a coupe glass, and garnish with a cherry. It's a timeless cocktail that's sure to impress. If you love smoky whiskey, you'll love the Penicillin. It's a modern classic. Sweet, spicy, citrusy, and a little smoky. But to make it legendary, you need Ardbeg 10. Its big peat, smoky depth, and medicinal notes add a whole new layer of complexity to this cocktail. Let's dive into the Penicillin recipe. First, you'll need 50 milliliters of blended whiskey for balance. Then add 20 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. Next, 15 milliliters of honey ginger syrup. Finally, float 10 milliliters of Ardbeg 10 on top. Now for the method. Shake all the ingredients except the Ardbeg with ice. Strain over fresh ice and float the Ardbeg 10 on top for that smoky finish. Last but not least, the Boulevardier, the whiskey lover's version of a Negroni. It's strong, bitter, and slightly sweet, so you need a bold whiskey to stand up to the Campari and vermouth. That's why I'm using Wild Turkey 101. Its high proof, rich caramel, and bold spice make it the perfect choice. For the Boulevardier recipe, you'll need 40 milliliters of Wild Turkey, 125 milliliters of Campari, and 25 milliliters of sweet vermouth. Garnish it with an orange twist. Now, for the method. Stir the ingredients with ice, strain into a rocks glass over ice, and garnish with an orange twist. And there you have it, 5 of the best whiskey cocktails, each made with the perfect whiskey. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Want more whiskey cocktail recipes? Check out our other videos and subscribe for more amazing drinks. If you want to master the whiskey sour, click the video popping up on your screen right now. Cheers!